Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today. We're talking about some of our more exciting stuff that we do in-house to prepare range hoods for you guys. We're gonna talk about our high efficiency blowers and motors today, compare that to some competitor range hoods that are out there on the market, and talk to you about why it's so important that you see what we're doing for you here. Now, to show you guys this, we've brought out our two high efficiency blowers, one being our Vexair 1200 CFM blower, and the other being our bigger 1700 CFM blower. Now, again, these are our high efficiency blowers. They're brand new. They're available in our Pro V models, which we actually have right behind me, and then our new 105 HE range hood. And there's gonna be some more range hoods coming soon, and we're making them more compatible, so keep your eye out for those. But talking about the high efficiency blowers, they're gonna use less energy, be less energy consumptive, and then they're also going to be able to put out more power on that lower energy. So we're gonna break that down. We're gonna show you guys the competitor range hood that we're gonna look at, and then we're gonna compare some of the data and show you guys why it's best for you in your home. So we've gotten one of the most popular models on Amazon, as I was saying. So this is going to have a 380 CFM motor in it, and it's also 4 speeds, but it's gonna top out at just 380 CFM. Now again, this is one of the cheapest, most popular models. It's just kind of low build quality, really seems inexpensive, honestly. But to test out these numbers and compare them to our high efficiency motors, this 380 CFM is gonna go up against our 1200 CFM, which is great for everyday use and those kind of high heat cooking environments, up to our 1700 CFM blower, which is gonna be really durable and great under those high stress environments. So we'll turn this on and we'll take a look at the 380 CFM, and I'm gonna read out some readings here and performance that this is going to give you from our Amazon model. It's going to be outputting at 380 CFM, 119.7 volts, so just under 120 volts there. Now, if we take a look at the wattage, it's gonna be at about 154, so it's gonna fluctuate a little bit, but hover around there for the most part. So we're gonna turn this off, and then again, we're gonna compare those numbers to our 1200 CFM and 1700 CFM motor, just to show you how much more efficient they are and how much more bang for your buck that you're gonna be getting using that same energy as just a 380 CFM blower is inside of one of these cheaper models. We've brought back on the table our high efficiency blowers. So we have our 1200 CFM here, as well as our 1700 CFM. Now we're gonna compare those same numbers that we just talked about with the competitor to our high efficiency blower. Now, one of the nice things about these is they do have a variable speed knob. So on the cheaper model that we got from Amazon, it's only 4 speeds, but our high efficiency blower, you can completely control the speed that you guys want. So we've gone ahead and preemptively set our 1200 CFM blower to the 37 watts that the competitor's model used on the 380 CFM. You guys probably can't even hear that it's on, and it really is that quiet. So it runs nice and smooth, very quiet, not disturbing at all wherever you guys decide to install your range hood, but we're gonna talk about some of the difference in numbers that we have here. So again, we're running at that same 120 volts, and we're pulling the same 37 watts. But this time around, instead of the 2.15 amps that we had on the competitor's range hood, we're actually only pulling about 0.5 watts. So that's about a 5 times increase in efficiency there in your energy usage just on our 1200 CFM blower. So we've gone ahead and jumped over to our 1700 CFM high efficiency blower here, and we just want to show you guys how powerful this is. So again, using the variable speed knob, we're going to turn it all the way up, and so you can hear the audio, you can hear how loud it's going to be. And again, this would be working to remove those smokes and odors and things inside of your home while you're using to cook them. But talking about the amp and the wattage usage that we talked about comparing the competitor to our 1200 CFM blower, this is actually about just a 2 times difference, running all the way at 1700 CFM. So maxing out that competitor's range hood at 380 CFM, we're only gonna see about a 2 times increase to get all the way up to 1700 CFM. So again, that's gonna be 4 times the power that you're getting in our high efficiency blower for just double the energy consumption that we saw from our competitor range hood. But now if we focus on our 1200 CFM blower and go back to the competitor range hood, for every $1 of energy that you use, you can use that competitor's range hood for about 30 hours, where with ours, you can get at least 160 hours. Not to mention you have about another 800 CFM of power and variability that you have at your disposal. With Proline, you're rarely gonna need to run your range hood at full speed, but because of our high airflow capacity, even when you do, our range hoods are built to last. Our blowers are engineered to minimize friction and heat buildup to reduce any stress on the components. At Proline, we're creating range hoods that are not only meant to perform great inside of your home, but to reduce the environmental impact on our planet. So when you go with us, you're making a choice that can do both. So let's recap. Our high efficiency blowers are designed to save you money through energy consumption while also providing you with the option to have more power at your disposal in your cooking environment. So again, with our high efficiency blowers, you can see 5 times more efficiency when it comes to the energy and airflow that you're using inside of your home. You can take advantage of exceptional airflow at low and high speeds with our variable speed control, meaning that you guys can get a longer lasting range hood with that reduced stress through the components that we use to create our range hoods and our blowers. At Proline, one of the things we are proud of is that we have greener products. So not only are you investing in a great product for your home, but also in a sustainable future. Just a reminder, our 1200 CFM and 1700 CFM high efficiency blowers we're looking at today are only available in our Pro V and 105 HE range hood models. But don't worry, we do plan on expanding that compatibility to a whole list of our products. So stay tuned to what we're doing here at Proline. We're very happy to bring you the utmost efficiency and affordability that you guys deserve. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact us through our customer support team or head over to our website to learn more about what we're doing to make our blowers more efficient every single day. Thank you guys so much. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one.